It is the last wonder in the stork family. Their distinct pink tetral feathers of the adult give them their name, Painted Stork. They immerse their half-open beaks in the water and sweep them from side to side and snap up their prey of small fish that are sensed by touch. While searching for food, they skim the water with their feet to flush hiding fishes. In this video, I am going to show you the feeding movement of Painted. The entire video is shot with the Canon 70 Mark II with Canon 500 Prime f4 lens, happening inside the Keoladeo National Park. After coming out of the eggs, the chicks require more and more food to grow rapidly. As an estimation, they require 400 to 600 grams of fishes every day, that is 9 to 10 fishes. They move their head up and down in seeking of food to the mother. It looks so adorable and interesting while watching their birds seeking for food to their mother. The mother keeps on collecting small fishes, frogs, crabs and snails from the shallow water to feed their chicks. But these naughty kids are not even getting full at any cost. They keep shouting louder to seek food to their mother. They feel the more louder they shout, their mother will feed them much faster. As of course they are kids, as like human kids, they start crying for food once they are hungry. The mother is bound to feed their kids, to stop them shouting just like to stop human kids cry. But sometimes the stork mother gets so irritated and just fly away from their kids' faces. The kids stop shouting. Well, mother is always a mother. They're too smart enough to know how their kids will stop shouting. Photographers and videographers like me have the best moments to capture while feeding. But as a wildlife photographer, it is my responsibility to understand and know several animal behaviors and bird activities, which helps me to capture the best moments at the right time. That's all for this episode of Painted Stork. See you in next episode. If you like the video, do like and subscribe the video. Thank you.